Try not to let him see you, Hunter.
Yeah.
Oh, you son of a bitch, come here.
No, he's moving the boat.
Swing around to the bottom, so there you go. Good job.
Oh, oh! Is that a shark?
Yeah.
Holy shit! Oh!
That's a hammerhead too.
Just hold on, guys. I'm going to try to get him off.
Yep, go ahead. Gotcha. Hold on, Bill.
He didn't eat him.
Yep.
We might be able to save him.
No, he's got him. He's got him by the neck. Yeah, he's got him. Oh, yeah, he got him by the neck. God damn it. Oh, it's a hammerhead.
Yeah, it's a hammer.
Yep.
He might get wet.
The hammerhead, I told you. I seen it, that hammerhead. Here you
Out of
go.
the way. Go ahead, go ahead.
He might have made it.
Wow. Did
Yeah.
you get any of that? You don't
Yep.
know yet.